Welcome friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Dev's Tech Guide. So today I'm going to make an unboxing review video on Nova Emerson Rod. So friends, as you know that winter is coming and all of us cannot afford a geyser, so immersion rod is a good alternative. You can see here I have ordered this from Flipkart and today I get this product. It is the packet of Nova immersion rod of 1500 watt. You can see here for that I have paid 414 rupees, but if you cannot see in this video I will show you in the last of the video. So let's open this pack. In market there are three types of immersion rod. One is without shockproof technology, second is waterproof and shockproof technology, and third is with thermostat technology. But I will always recommend you to buy waterproof and shockproof technology. If you want, you can also buy the thermostat technology, but that will cost more amount of money. Let's open this package. It is quite heavy in hand, and the 1500 watt, you can use it to get hot water in very short amount of time. There is another variant available of 2000 watt, but that will cost more electric consumption, so I choose this 1500 watt immersion rod. And also it is Nova company, and you know that Nova is a good company with double ISI certified. So let's open the wire. The wire is about 1.5 meter long, and it is also in of good quality. You can see here, and it is obviously 3-pin plug, so earthing is there, and earthing should be also in there because in immersion rod you know that there is always a tendency to get electric shock, and here it is the 12-month warranty that you get from manufacturer. So friends, I will always recommend to use this immersion rod with proper care. Though it is shock proof, but I recommend to switch off whenever you immerse it into the bucket. So now let's see how much time it will take to make the cold water to up to boiling point. But I will not show up to boiling point because I don't need boiling water. I will use just I just here see you how much time it will take to start the boiling. So friends, about 3 minutes have gone. You can see here the change in the water. Here you can see about just the water is just started boiling. It is not boiling yet because the water was in very cold temperature, and it is about 10 degrees Celsius outside. So you can see here the water start to boil. About 4 minutes have gone, so I just can guess it will take approximately 10 minutes to to boil the whole water in the bucket. And another thing is that you can pour more water into the bucket. Don't keep the coil outside water because it will make cause dry and dry burn. So always pour water into the bucket, then use. And as it you can see here the water is starting boiling, and as you know that it is fully submersible, so don't think it will damage in if you use in full bucket, so that will not occur. Overall speaking, the quality was quite good and I am impressed with the product. The company give 12-month warranty, and I will also share the screenshot that I have paid only 414 rupees, as I also use 10 coins. So friends, if you like, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you.